Hello, my name is Dr. Eric Wilmarth, and I've been asked to make a short video about a workshop that I'm giving at the upcoming ASCH meetings. I thought I'd begin by telling a story. A rabbi, a priest, a psychologist, and a physician went into a hotel. That hotel was hosting the 7th annual meeting of the American Society of Clinical Hypnosis in 1965. Shortly before that, in 1961, Joseph Wachowski had written a book called The Pastoral Use of Hypnotic Techniques. And at this panel, they did a discussion on hypnosis in religion. Now, much more recently, John Court has written an excellent book on hypnosis, healing, and the Christian, and there have been a number of other publications. This workshop, entitled Does Hypnosis Have a Prayer? Hypnosis, Religion, and Spirituality in Clinical Practice, will examine some of the historical contributions to the field, but also look at what's the current application of clinical practice and how we can incorporate spirituality and or religion into our practice. I hope that you can attend a collaborative discussion as we review this at the American Society of Clinical Hypnosis 62nd meeting in Reno, Nevada. I hope to see you there.